ChatGPT is a liar. Well, not exactly. But it is hallucinating. If you ask an LLM about general history, it's a genius. But if you ask it about your specific business data, your PDFs, your Notion docs, your SQL database, it is completely useless. This is the biggest bottleneck in AI right now. And the solution is an acronym you've probably heard. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this. A private AI that knows your data. We are going to code it using Llama Index. Imagine an LLM is a student taking a test. Without RAG, the student has to answer from memory. If they don't know the answer, they make it up. That is a hallucination. RAG is like letting that student take an open book exam. When you ask a question, the AI doesn't just guess. It retrieves the relevant page from your book, augments its knowledge with that page, generates the answer. That is all RAG is. And while you could build this from scratch, it's a nightmare of vector math and API glue. That is why we use Llama Index. Llama Index is a data framework. Unlike other tools that focus on agents or chains, Llama Index focuses on ingestion. It solves the hardest part of AI, getting your messy, unstructured data into a format the LLM can actually understand. Enough theory. Let's write code. You'll need an OpenAI API key for this. Step 1. Install the library. Open your terminal and type pip install Llama Index. Step 2. Load the data. Use Llama Index's simple directory reader. It reads every file in that folder, figures out if it's a PDF, a text file, or an image, and converts it into text. Step 3. Indexing. We need to turn that text into numbers or vectors that the AI can search. Crucial concept here. This step costs money because it calls OpenAI's embedding API. But you only do this once. Once it's indexed, it's saved. Step 4. Ask a question. We create a query engine and simply ask it something in plain English. Watch the terminal. And there it is. It didn't hallucinate. It found the specific line item and gave us the answer. Now, there is a catch. If you restart that script, it re-indexes everything. That's slow and expensive. In production, you need to save to a vector database. Llama Index makes this easy with Persist. This saves your index to your hard drive or cloud. For a real startup, you would connect this to a vector database like Pinecone or ChromeDB. Llama Index switches between them with literally one line of code change. It is modular by design. So, should you learn Llama Index? If you have data, documents, customer support logs, internal wikis, and you want to unlock value from them, yes. It is the industry standard for RAG. Thanks for watching.